What is going on YouTube? It's Patrick the Gamer, or Patrick Gaming, as it says on my YouTube. I feel I ain't put a video up in a while, I feel I put one up, but as we all know, I have this video game company, that's my hobby, so anyone out there need a video game repair, put what's wrong with it down the road, and I'll tell you if I'll be able to fix it or not. Now, people have been wanting to know what my whole room looks like. My bed, dresser, TV, other TV, all that. But that's fine. I ain't showing you my whole room because I don't trust many people nowadays. Nowadays people just, nowadays you show people everything you got. They be coming to rob you for that one thing they like. But anyway, we work on PS2s, PS3s, PS4, Xbox 360, Xbox One. We do not work on computers. I don't know nothing about computers. But yeah, I figure talk about that a little bit. And if you play GTA 5, like to join my clan. Well, it ain't started yet. I'm trying to link up, and then I'm really gonna be starting it. Now, if y'all play GTA 5 would like to help me link up, just add me. I put my my camera tag in the description there, Mark. Or what it's actually called. I don't know an ID because I play on PlayStation. I used to play on Xbox all the time, but I'm poor. I can't afford to keep paying for play Xbox. That's why I like about PlayStation. It's free. So yeah. Or in other words, if y'all want to help me and be in my clan when it starts up, you know, give me a shout on PlayStation. I would love to have some people, but I think I'll put this up and talk to y'all a little bit while on my other channel, Patrick the Dipper. I'm gonna put a video on there, my very first dipping experience. So y'all go check that out. Alright, peace out. I'm out of here.